Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode. Dave Rodriguez here, one of the head traders inside the Alliance community. Give a quick shout out to everybody watching the video. As always, we definitely appreciate the support, guys, for showing up every day. Make sure you mash that subscribe button and hit that bell if you haven't already so you get all our notifications. Anybody watching the video for the first time or anybody who has not yet taken advantage of our free ebook, the Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide, it has all our best kept secrets and strategies, tons of facts, and some key things you need to know to make it in this market. Stay to the end of the video. We'll tell you how to get your free ebook, the Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide. So let's jump right in, guys. Bitcoin has not done anything different. We're still looking fairly bullish right now. Overall downtrend. We are currently in an uptrend. We can break out into an uptrend and start to rally as soon as we break out of that 4,200 area. You can see it very well in the weekly. So we'll break down over to that real quick. You can see it right here. This is that 4,200 region right here. And this is the real area you need to get. Okay, let's just put this here. So this area here is what we need to break through in order to remain bullish, in order to get to be back to bullish, because we haven't been able to breach this area. We've jumped up, stayed below it. So you can see that on the weekly. We have crossed the MAs. Hopefully they'll start turning to the upside. As you can see, the last 6 or 7 weeks have been straight, bull candles. This one here especially, which got denied. We're staying underneath the 200 MA here. So we'd like to breach that and breach this 4,200 region. But we'll break back down to the lower charts real quick to kind of show you what's going on. The daily still looking good. It's breaking up and above the highs here. The last 4 days have broken up above this high here and this high here, this region we've had marked, this purple region. And we're holding above it, okay? We've seen stuff like this happen before, where we see a bunch of these candles here before we see a nice uptrend happen. We've seen this happen many, many times before in Bitcoin. So I'd like to see these candles hold above this purple region. I wouldn't, be surprised if it dips back down if we test these MAs, because as you can see, we're creeping up on the daily to where these MAs could be touched, and I think they will. They're separating, which means the trend is intact. But I'd like to see this MA be touched at some point. Breaking down, back down to the 4 hour. As you can see, we still have this falling wedge pattern. Okay, but right now, we are at a point where we're starting to want to break out of this pattern. As a matter of fact, we've just broken out on the 4 hour right here. You can see 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches, and now we're outside. We are carrying above the MAs. The MAs have crossed, which is a bullish sign. So we could really see some breakouts right here, guys. Those of you who are on BitMEX should be in down here after this red candle here. This 1, 2, 3 rejection, 1, 2 rejection. Your entry should have been right here. You'd be nicely into profit. I do think this is going to show us some bullish momentum, guys. We're going to head towards that 4,200 region very, very soon. This could be the break right here. It looks like it has broken. Hopefully it's not a fake breakout because this is a hammer candle. It is kind of a reversal candle. But even if it came down, reversed back in to this buy area before it closed back up, something like this, I wouldn't be surprised if that happened. But we're holding above the MAs. I drew this trend line here because I'm staying bullish until something like this is broken and it comes back down. Now, if it breaks it and comes back down here to test and closes back up here, we're still looking very bullish. I think we're looking good, guys, here. We know what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin can just tumble for no apparent reason because it is unregulated. But going by the structure, going by the technicals, we've broken above this area, which was important back here as well. Look at this area, broken above it. We're holding above it here. 1, 2, 3. Holding above it here. 1, 2, 3. Holding above it here. 1, 2. Okay, and it keeps pushing up. We're above the MAs. The MAs are carrying it, and we have crossed, and they are leaning to the upside. Let's watch this pattern play out today. Like I said, those of you who are trading long-term, you can trade it from these areas. Those of you who are trading BitMEX or anything like that, you should be trading from down here in this purple region. If it dips back down in that region and it even plays back down this wall here, that's totally fine. I do see it maybe coming to touch the big trend line at some point as well, too. We could see up, we could see down, and around. So, guys, patience is the key. These trades take time to play out, especially when you're playing on the bigger charts. This is a very positive thing that's happened here. It looks like we've had a semi-little breach. Now that you move it a little bit more, it does kind of look like it may be just on that line. But if you do it perfectly, then you can see this corner kind of broke out here. So let's see what happens. The next candle is definitely outside of the wedge. So let's see if it pops up. Let's see if it retests. It does look very positive. It is looking very bullish. Hopefully we'll have a nice week of trading here. So you guys be careful. That's all we have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed the breakdown. Anybody who hasn't taken advantage of the ebook, in the description below, you're going to see the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. That's like YouTube. You're going to get your free ebook, guys. Take advantage of it now. It's totally free to you guys. Got a lot of great information. And also, after the ebook, you're going to get something else free. It's a whole entire training series we put together for you guys to help you get in the market, stay in the market, and profit while you're there. That comes to you guys. You know, it's a gift from Cody Sperber, the clever investor himself. Make sure you take advantage of that. He gives it to you free. He'll explain to you how to get it. I'll see you guys in the next Bitcoin breakdown. Safe trading.